Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Pro, and this was brought in because it wasn't heating up. And what we had found is that the thermostat, this little thermal breaker inside the machine, had gone bad, was not allowing electricity to make it to the heating element, so it couldn't heat up. But we replaced it and all is working fine now. Well, we're going to kind of test it. We'll do some steam. We didn't get the portafilter with the machine, so we won't be able to pull a shot, but we will be able to show you that it is clearly heating up, operating with steam. I'll let some steam out so the pressure dropped a little bit, but it is in the lower end of the green range, so we're in the clear. And let's try, take a peek at the shower real quick. Looking good. Do it again. Definitely heating. Alright, there you have it, Pavoni Pro, heating once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.